Okay, I'm recording. Hello and welcome to TrainoCat's first NHL Goalhorn video game show thing. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but welcome to it. Today we will be playing Guess the Sped Up and Pitched Up Goalhorn. Hold for applause. Okay, that's dumb. Anyway, so today we'll be playing a game where these three people in the call, Barracuda, Aubrey, and PG-13, all have to guess which horn they're hearing. The horn is pitched up, but they're not pitched up all the same, and they're pitched differently, but they're not pitched all the same, and they're all sped up differently, but not all the same. This should be fun.
It's only NHL teams?
This is only NHL teams, yes.
Huh. Okay.
How do we answer?
You answer using the soundboard. So in the server, I've added sounds for corresponding to your player number. So Aubrey's player 1, Kuda's player 2. That was supposed to be Kuda pressing that, Aubrey, but no.
Oh.
Oh. I didn't
Okay,
know
so player 3.
Yeah, and Patrick's player 3. So you just buzz in using your respective sound when it's time, and let the full audio play before answering. They're all sped up so fast that they're all they're all no longer than 10 seconds. All right, let's get started. Number 1. And guess. Aubrey.
My guess is Boston.
That is incorrect. Anyone else? Kuda?
Chicago Blackhawks.
Incorrect. Anyone else?
I got nothing.
All right.
I think it's some kind of ship horn. It's the most unrecognizable song I've heard in my life.
Can I hear it again?
Yes. Aubrey?
Is it San Jose?
It is not. Okay, yes, you can hear it again.
It's definitely a group.
Patrick?
Is it the Minnesota Wild?
It is not.
What?
And the correct answer is...
Oh, I thought it was a boat horn.
Yep, that's what makes this tricky.
It doesn't sound that much worse, let's be
It
real.
sounded so much like a Q3.
Yeah.
And I thought it was...
I'm actually going to tell you what the correct answer is instead of playing it because copyright, and I want to make money from this video.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. Number 2. And guess.
What the fuck?
Patrick.
Is it the New Jersey Devils?
It is not.
Oh,
Aubrey.
Wait, can I buzz in twice?
Yes, you can. You can buzz in twice. Aubrey.
Based on the seeming sound of a siren, is it the Washington Capitals?
No.
What?
I know
Patrick.
who else has a siren.
Is it the Colorado Avalanche?
It is not the Colorado Avalanche.
There goes my guess. Fucking trying to think of who else has a siren.
Patrick.
Is it the Winnipeg Jets?
It is the Winnipeg Jets.
I forgot they had a siren. I thought they got rid of that at some point.
They just quieted it down.
Yeah. Some of these recordings are old because they've been on my computer forever. But I just edited them.
Oh.
And also to make
Okay.
it harder, I made them all 128 kilobit. So you're welcome.
That's probably why the audio quality is awful.
Yes. Also to save space and save on exporting time. All right. Round
You're-
3. Oop, round 3. It didn't play. And guess. You buzzed in too early. Patrick.
San Jose Sharks?
Correct.
What?
First try.
That was incredible.
I
That
don't
was
know
easy.
how to do this.
To be fair, it doesn't sound that much worse than the real Power Bite.
Yes.
I swear I thought I heard Tuss Up Utah. And I thought the song ended pretty quickly, which is what they do.
Yeah. Patrick just got it. Patrick has 2 points and the rest of you have 0. So
Oh wait, I'm doing great.
Are there 10 rounds?
there are 15 rounds.
Okay, there's a
Round
Okay.
2.
Ah! What the fuck was that?
Patrick?
Is it the Boston Bruins?
It is the Boston Bruins. Patrick's cleaning up.
Patrick's on a roll.
You know, dude, it's like he has Goalhorn in his name.
Yeah, almost.
No,
He doesn't though.
I don't know. That's the thing.
PG-13 Hockey Man does not have goal horns
Oh.
in his name.
Oh,
He does have one in
thought
his
he did.
profile picture.
Dude,
Yeah, he
It's
does
like
have a
he's a
goal horn in
horn
his profile
himself.
picture. All right.
dude, he turns on his camera and we're staring down at Q3. Can see the diaphragms.
All right. Round 5, I think.
Oh.
Aubrey.
Carolina Hurricanes.
Incorrect.
Damn it.
Patrick.
Is it the Pittsburgh Penguins?
It is the Pittsburgh Penguins.
Oh,
I didn't even get to guess. I buzzed. I buzzed first.
Yeah, well, you need to buzz again after somebody answers.
Oh, okay.
What was your guess going to be, Kuda?
Mammoth again.
Oh, jeez. All right, Patrick has 4 points. All right, round 6. Patrick, you gotta wait till it's over. Kuda,
Los Angeles Kings.
incorrect.
Oh.
Patrick,
Is it the Montreal Canadiens?
that is not correct. No, it's not the Montreal Canadiens. Aubrey.
Was it the Ottawa Senators?
It was the Ottawa Senators. You are correct.
Let's
Okay,
go.
so there's more than one person on the board now.
Yes.
Dude, I
could-
need to like
Like a,
I need to like expand my like memory with this. Like I only have like 5 different horns circling through my head at a time.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear the actual horn separation.
Oh, yeah, fair enough. All right. 7, I think. Patrick?
Is this the Montreal Canadiens?
No.
Ooh.
I think Kuda was first.
That is the New York Islanders.
It is not the New York Islanders, no.
Oh.
Is someone gonna buzz in?
Trying to think.
Aubrey.
I think it's the Nashville Predators.
Incorrect.
Damn
Can,
it.
can I hear the song again?
Yes, I can play it again.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure someone watching this is screaming the answer at their screen. Aubrey.
It's Carolina.
Yes, it is Carolina.
Yes!
I knew it was something with like a lot of words in it.
Yeah. Okay. The score is 4-2. It's Aubrey 2, Kuda 0, and Patrick 4.
I gotta say that sounded like higher pitched. That definitely sounded like the Islanders. I guess that's Carolina's horn so deep that it makes the
sounded-
rhythm high.
It
Yeah.
sounded just like a T3, but it can't be that easy.
It did. It really did. And I kind of did that on purpose to mess with you guys.
You're evil.
Again, I couldn't.
All right. Round 8. Guess.
Oh,
Kuda.
Seattle Kraken.
Incorrect. Aubrey.
The Vegas Golden Knights.
Correct. Oh my god, Aubrey,
how
you're
is it so
picking up.
easy?
I just accidentally kicked my chair. Okay.
I can't hear you guys anymore.
Uh-oh. Can you hear us now?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, we just weren't talking. Okay. Round 9. I almost said the name of the team that this was.
What? That was so fast.
Hell?
Do you want me to play it again?
Yeah.
Patrick.
The Vancouver Canucks.
Correct.
You gotta
why
know your
was that,
goal
like
songs,
5
too.
seconds.
Because the goal song edit for Vancouver is so short.
Yes.
And it's also terrible.
Yes, it is. Okay. Round 10. The score is, I think, Aubrey 3, Patrick 5? I think?
Well, what?
You
Wait,
haven't
no,
been
hold on.
keeping
I
track,
think
have you?
Aubrey, because we're on round 10, and I think it's Aubrey 4, Patrick 5.
Well, because
That's
I
not
didn't
correct.
answer one.
But we didn't get none of us got the first one,
Yeah.
and like
Yeah, say
4 or 5 add up to 9, and we've done 9 rounds.
so.
Okay,
It should
yeah.
be
I think it's 5.
if we're going into round 10.
Yeah, I think you have 5 and Aubrey has 4.
I have 10 points.
3.
No, you don't. Okay.
In
Anyway,
Dreamland, maybe.
round 10.
If we're going into round 10, we should right now have 8.
That's
Because
true.
no one got
yes.
question one.
So, okay, it's 5-3 then.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You're right. Okay, round 10. Kuda.
Is this the Utah Mammoth?
No.
Oh my god. Also, you can only buzz in after the song ends.
Yes. You have to let it play.
Oh,
for its
it got
entirety.
out.
Aubrey.
Total shot in the dark. Is it the Philadelphia Flyers?
No.
Trying to like think of like what's like really low pitch. Can you play it again?
Yep.
This is really low quality.
Kuda.
Anaheim Ducks.
No.
No.
Oh. I don't know what can possibly be lower pitch than like with I don't know what can possibly be that low pitch. Oh, did you pitch it down maybe?
Yes, they're all pitched differently.
Oh, I thought they were all pitched upward.
No. They're about half and half. Do you want me to play it again?
Yeah.
Sure.
Aubrey.
I have no clue.
Given I could only really hear one blast, and I think I recognize the melody, I think that's Seattle.
Incorrect.
No. Oh.
All right, you've run out of time. The answer was the Minnesota Wild.
No way.
Yes, that was the
Oh,
Minnesota Wild.
Patrick's gonna be kicking himself with that one.
That is such low quality.
Dude, these are all dog shit.
I don't know how that ended up so bad with such bad quality. None of the other ones are like
Oh,
that.
I think I hear shout. Oh,
I knew it was something where like the melody like switched up a lot. Like it.
Yeah. All
I was
right.
trying to think of what changes like that.
11. Patrick.
Oh shoot, I shouldn't have buzzed in. I rescind
Sorry?
my vote.
Then you lose a point.
Oh, I lose a point.
If you buzz in and don't have an answer, then you lose a point.
Oh, then Colorado Avalanche.
Incorrect.
Hmm.
Aubrey.
Washington Capitals.
Incorrect.
No.
Oh, I was about to
That
say
siren's
that.
throwing me off.
Oh,
I don't think that's actually a siren.
Patrick.
the New Jersey Devils.
That is correct. It is the New Jersey Devils.
Yo, I'm so good at this.
Teams.
Huh?
I don't even have my headphones on.
Oh, wow. How are you cleaning up
I'm
without
playing
your
with
headphones
hard
on?
mode.
I don't even remember what the score is. It'll be on the screen somewhere.
Aubrey has 3. That's the key.
Okay. And you have 6, I think.
Oh wait, no. Aubrey has, or did Barracuda get Minnesota?
Nobody got Minnesota.
No one did.
No one did. Oh,
Yeah, so I think it's So it's 6-3 for Patrick,
yep.
and then Kuda has nothing.
It's
All right.
nothing.
12.
Oh, it's right there.
Patrick.
Is this the Los Angeles Kings?
It is not the Los Angeles Kings.
Oh.
Kuda.
That's the Florida Panthers.
It is the Florida Panthers. Kuda's finally on
I
the board.
did something.
At last.
Yes. All right.
Because like I love fucking Panther Post, and I remember like after like the main part of the song everyone remembers, it goes like real like quiet, like low.
Mhm.
Well, and I was going off of the song because I could hear the hey parts.
I could tell that it was a Q3, and I knew that the Panthers had 3 blasts.
Yes. All right. 13.
What the fuck?
Shit. I don't know who did that first. I think Aubrey did.
Oh, who has 3 blasts?
Patrick.
Is it the New York Rangers?
No. Kuda.
Chicago Blackhawks.
Correct. It is the Chicago Blackhawks.
Oh yeah. Let's go. We're going streaking. We're on a streak. I'm gonna get like 10 points.
All right. If Kuda gets the next two, he ties Patrick. Because the best anyone can do now, unless Aubrey gets the next two, he wins. But the best Kuda can do is tie.
But if I get one more, I win.
Yes. All right.
Oh,
Second last.
What?
Aubrey.
What's that?
St. Louis Blues.
Incorrect. It sounds so funny,
Oh.
dude. Patrick.
Los Angeles Kings.
Incorrect.
How many blasts was that again?
Do you want me to play it again?
Yeah.
What? Patrick.
The Detroit Red Wings.
That is correct. And Patrick has now clinched the win. But I will still do the last one.
This looks like a good job for me. So everybody,
Just follow me and hope we don't get a copyright claim. All right.
that's safe.
Last but not least. Aubrey.
Your Calgary Flames.
No.
No, it's not the Flames. Kuda.
Blackfoot Bulldogs!
No. They're all NHL.
Well, it sounds just as awful.
Patrick.
Oh, fuck, there's a fire. There's a fire.
This is the Montreal Canadiens.
It is not the Montreal Canadiens.
What?
Okay, can I hear it again?
Yes.
Oh.
Kuda.
That's the Winnipeg Jets.
No, we already did Winnipeg.
No, it's not the Winnipeg Jets.
Did we already have Winnipeg?
We already had Winnipeg.
Oh, fuck!
Aubrey.
Nashville.
Incorrect.
Damn it!
I'm trying to think of one blast teams right now.
Patrick.
I know I've guessed this a lot, but I'm gonna guess Los Angeles.
It's not Los Angeles. I feel like you guessed that for this one already.
LA's
No.
the trap card.
Oh.
How could anything get that high pitch?
Patrick.
Rangers?
Incorrect.
Hmm.
I'll give you a hint.
Oh.
They're all pitched differently. Every single one.
So
is
it's probably
it's
something, like,
different-
really
pitched
deep.
A different amount. Kuda.
Is that the Vegas Golden Knights?
You already did Vegas.
Oh. Oh.
That's Gold Chime.
Oh. Fuck. Oh.
What is it?
You guys give up?
No.
I do.
Okay. Patrick wants to keep guessing. Patrick.
Buffalo Sabres?
Incorrect.
And could this be like from a different year when the blast pattern was different in the past?
No, these are all from the most recent year. These are all from the 25-26 season.
Oh.
Well, and who's 25-26 are we using?
Oh!
Kuda.
Dallas Stars.
Correct. It was the Dallas Stars.
Because they varied their blast pattern for the amount of goals scored.
Dun, dun.
So the first goal was always one blast. I finished with 3.
Stars. Dallas. Stars. Yes, it was Dallas. All right. And with that, Patrick wins.
Woo.
Whoa.
Get you next time.
All right.
Dude, He's gonna do this again, and then he's gonna throw Black Falls Bulldogs in.
No, I'm not doing this one again. The next game show
This
will
should
be
be a
something
Jeopardy
different.
category.
Sorry?
This should be a Jeopardy category.
I was literally about to announce that. Thank you for doing that for me.
Oh,
The
yeah.
next Traino Cat game show will be Jeopardy.
Sweet.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you guys all for watching. Cheers.